Roland, Manroland. Manroland 700. 8 color station plus 1 varnish oil. Here we put 2 LED UV lamp and 2 commission UV lamp at the delivery hand. And after the 8 color station, we put another 1 commission UV lamp. Here is the 7 color station. Here 6 color station. 5, 4, and third. After third color station, we put 1 UV lamp. We put a LED UV lamp here. Here we put 1 LED UV lamp after third color station. Third color station, and after second color station, we put another 1 LED UV lamp. For this totally 8 color station plus 1 coater, 1 varnish station, we give solutions 4 LED UV lamp plus 3 commission UV lamp, support machine running speed 18,000 sheet per hour. Each LED UV lamp with 7.2 kilowatt. Each commission UV lamp with 17 kilowatt. We will try running this sprinter today.